As you all know, the Directorate of Criminal Investigations has been conducting investigations into the fraudulent payment of funds from the National Youth Service to numerous purported suppliers with respect to pending bills totaling to Kenya shillings 8 billion. This is the first phase of the investigations involving Kenya shillings 468,996,808 paid out to 10 companies. On 27th May 2018, the DCI resubmitted the investigation files. Upon careful perusal and evaluation of the same, I am satisfied that the evidence is sufficient to warrant urgent prosecution. The public servants will be charged with several offenses, including conspiracy to commit an offense of corruption, willful failure to comply with applicable procedures and guidelines relating to the management of public funds, a breach of trust by a person employed in the public service, willful neglect to perform official duty, abuse of office, fraudulent acquisition of public property, fraudulent making payment from public revenues for goods not supplied. My office is preparing to have the suspects arraigned in court to answer to the charges tomorrow. In the first phase, investigations revealed that there was no procurement undertaken before monies were paid out. So there was no procurement whatsoever in these investigations, and this is our findings. In phase 2 of the investigations, the DCI will focus on additional areas, including companies or entities that benefited from the fraudulent payment and banks that were complicit to the offenses. In addition to prosecution, we are looking at recovering the proceeds of crime, as well as establishing the tax status of the companies and individuals involved in the crimes. In the meantime, several bank accounts that the funds were channeled through have been frozen. My office is working with the DCI and the Assets Recovery Agency in that regard. As the investigations continue, more suspects are likely to be charged. I shall also appoint 4 special prosecutors to work with my office. I urge all suspects who are in hiding to surrender themselves to the DCI or the nearest police station.